In this video, I'm going to talk about new 10 apps that you can use to make money online worldwide. These are free money, so you can earn money by watching videos, playing games, completing offers and completing surveys. So I time to time make these kind of videos, and this is completely new apps, completely 10 new apps which I came around, so I'm gonna make the video. So if that useful, leave a like of this video and go check it out. This app that you can use to make $100 or more every single day, and you can use PayPal or Paytm to withdraw that money, guys. So just jump into the video, guys. The number one app is called Watch Videos and Earn Money from Rosso Camo. It's a new app that you can use to make money by, you can see here, sign up and watch video daily and earn points. Then you can convert that points to PayPal or Paytm that you can see here. And this app is from India, I think, and it's work worldwide, I believe that. So go and check it out. Basic, straightforward. And also you have a lucky spin that you can have a daily 5 spin, and if you are lucky that you can earn more points which will be converted into your PayPal money. And main important things about this app is you can watch videos and you can earn money. The second app is called Earn Cash Reward and make money by playing games and listen to the music. It's the basic idea of this app that you gonna get paid to play games or listen to the music. You can listen to music through the app or lock screen. So if you're off the phone, and you can listen to the like a normal music app that you can see, get paid to play music and games. So if you go back here, that you can see variety of radios, PlayStations and same, that you can listen to it even in your lock screen and you can earn money for that. So even in the offline, you can listen to the music and you can get paid for that. Again, you can test in new games, download those games, test it out, and you get points, and you can withdraw that points for PayPal money, guys. So it's tight away, it's simple. You play games and listen to the music. Most of the people do either one of them, most of them do both of them. So you can do that and you can earn money from it, and you can earn PayPal money or gift card, or sometimes you can win gift like a Apple AirPod or watch, iWatch or something like that, guys. The third app is called a Money app status download video and images. Basically this app is used to download WhatsApp status that you can see here, and also you can watch videos and you can earn points which will be converted into your PayPal cash. That you can see, watch videos, you can download the status like videos and image, you get paid for that, and you can watch and you can earn points. Then you can convert that points to PayPal or Paytm. That you can see, straightforward. Earn credit, convert the credit into cash, and you can use any payment method like a PayPal or Paytm to withdraw it. You receive your payment within 7 to 10 working days, guys. Number 4 is called a Moneyshot. Earn real money and a reward. That you can see, simple earn coins. Basically you're gonna do the same. Like you can see, Moneyshot is a simple app that allow you to complete basic offers and earn coins. In exchange, coins can be used to purchase gift card, games, and you can withdraw that into PayPal money, guys. So basically this is the payout method. You can withdraw that coins for your PayPal, or giveaway. You can give away for the charities, or you can get that gift card or game. So if you have like a PlayStation or something like that, you can use to buy games. If you have enough points, you can buy that games from here, guys. So you can do either one of them, or you can use PayPal to withdraw that money to your PayPal account, guys. The number 5 is called Poll Pay. Earn money and free gift card cash app. That you can see, this app is only one thing you have to do is answer basic survey question and you get paid for that. This app is work worldwide. That you can see, people are making great amount of money, and most of the questions is around entertainment and something like that. So you answer that, you can withdraw that using PayPal or Amazon gift card or Google gift card, guys. That you can see, how does it work? Register with the Poll Pay, participate in surveys and increase your balance, and exchange your balance for PayPal credit or Amazon vouchers or any other gift card, guys. So it's tighter for you, and the surveys are, it's not like it's not going to take more than 5 or 10 minutes. Basic multiple choice surveys. So you answer that, you earn points, and you can withdraw that using PayPal, guys. Number 6 is called a panel app, a price reward. So basically, again, you take surveys, earn points, and you can withdraw that. So the only thing you have to do with this app is you have to do the surveys and you answer the questions and you earn enough points and you can withdraw that. You can see here that you can withdraw using Amazon gift card or Visa, Master Cash app, or more great prices. So basically, they don't do PayPal. You can get that in a gift card or Visa or Master Cash cards, guys. So basically, what you have to do is you have to register with this app after you download it, and you have to complete certain questions. Then you are qualified for the service, and you complete that, and you can earn money, guys. The 7th app is called SurveyMonkey Reward. Straight away, you have to do the surveys that you can see. Take a quick surveys and you can get rewarded for your opinions. These are real cash, guys. Then you can withdraw that money using Amazon gift card, or you can donate to the charity. They don't do PayPal, but you can withdraw that into gift card. If you are withdraw your money into a gift card, there's other website where you can convert your digital gift card into actual money. So I already made the video, you can go and check it out. So don't worry, if you get the gift card, you can go to those website, give the numbers, and they will give you the actual cash. A little bit lower, but they will give you actual cash. Then you can get it from your PayPal account, guys. Number 8 is called a Swagbucks Live. It's not Swagbucks, it's called Swagbucks Live. Basically, what this app is, they're going to give a live service or poll, basically. So you have to answer that. So lots of people are answering that. You answer the live poll and you earn money and you can withdraw it. People are using this app to earn money while they are traveling or go to the work. So it's not like a Swagbucks actual app, because you have to do lots of surveys and watch videos to earn money. Here you can answer simple poll questions and you can earn, and you can gather up the enough points and you can withdraw that. You can see prices are paid in a form SP points, which means Swagbucks points, which are redeemable for popular gift card or PayPal cash at Swagbucks.com. because when you download this app and you have to sign in with the same account that you used to sign in with Swagbucks, so you know, if you earn enough points here, that will be added to your actual Swagbucks account. Then that points will be converted into your PayPal money, guys. Number 9 is called Killi, KILLI, earn reward for being you. So basically, you can answer surveys. Is from popular websites, popular e-commerce site. You can answer that, you can earn enough points, then you can convert that enough points for the actual cash. People are around the world making money from this app. You can make between $1,000 to $2,000 per year from this app, not month, per year from this app. So basically, straightforward is simple survey question from popular websites. You answer that, you earn points, and you can withdraw that using PayPal, guys. Number 10 and the final one is called Crowdtap survey reward opinion. Basically, again, it's the same thing. You register with it, answer the certain questions, and they will give simple surveys. It's not like a big service, simple surveys. It's gonna take around 1 to 2 minutes to complete. If you complete that, you can earn enough points. That points will be converted into actual cash, guys. So these are the top 10 apps in 2021 to earn money. I already made a couple of other videos. These apps are completely new and most of them work worldwide. Again, if you have Android phone, go to Apple Store or Google Store and type watch videos and earn money, or earn money app, something like that. These are the apps that Google promoting. These are the apps that are available on Google Store. So actually, what you do, download this app, try it out in your free time, and find out which app is worthwhile for you, and keep doing that. You can earn enough money from these apps. You can see there's lots of apps that are gonna pay you money for playing games, watching videos, completing offers, completing surveys, and some of them pay you money for walking, some of them pay you money for your exercise, some of them pay you money for taking picture of the received from a shopping center that you purchase items. So you can do those things and you can earn enough points, then you can convert that into PayPal cash. If you do that, if you use most of the app, that you can make around $100 to $200 per day from these apps, guys. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, subscribe, like and share, and leave a like at the bottom of the video. Until then, have a good day. See you next video also. And if you subscribe and press the bell icon, I'm gonna release tutorial videos on print on demands, so I can walk you through from top to bottom. So if you want to learn from that, subscribe and press the bell icon, guys. Until then, have a good day. See you next video.